lang tuloy. May police sa ilalim ng tuloy.
Pauwi na po kami na.
May police sa ilalim ng tuloy. Ang galing kang sumayaw, galing kang gumalaw, galing kang sumayaw, galing kang gumalaw, galing kang sumayaw, tutulaw. Last one, lala naman sinta, ulang ng kakaya, talay kasyo, sisira lang na, pagdating na buwi, nabali ng saya, kape sa palawan, pinalap na kita. We are a very special version, for this lala naman sinta.
Galing yung
Together,
Tagalog.
lala naman sinta, net, bulang ng babalat, net. Dalay kusli net, sisilang ng bunga net, pagdating na dulo net, nabaling ang sanang net, kapya sa talayan net, pumanap ng ipak net. Masaya kayo? Salamat. Maraming salamat po. Because thank you for your kindness response. Because we know we only sing for Filipinos. I will not sing for other groups. Other groups, when I sing for them, they only this face. No reaction. Yeah, because Filipinos are very happy groups. Because most of the time we sing for Filipinos. Salamat, ha? So from here, because many of you kutong why you laugh? Why you laugh? No problem, only small business. Okay, this is the date. Masarap is our local specialty. Just like Philippines, you have dry mango, you have dry banana chips. This one, please taste it. This one, because after you try, well, this one is for beautify your skin, make your skin younger. So you eat one and then you become 18 years old. you eat two and then tomorrow age 16 years old. This is the date. Okay, pass me. You have okay. Please pass me high. Like this, pass me high. And then我还有其他的那一包试吃的在哪呀？在哪？给我。给到他。And then this one, we have two choice. The first one is ito. This is date. The one we taste. And please get one and pass behind the others in taste our specialty. And this is date. Very popular specialties from China side, from Shenzhen. It's not often to see in Hong Kong. And then another one is this one. It's called beans. Beans. So please taste our sample. Share, please.
Okay, thank you. Share daw kami, oh. Share.
Sarap, no?
Masarap? Masarap?
Oh, masarap to.
Masarapan daw sila. Yan, sakay ng bus. Pauwi na kami. Tapos na yung nakuha sa namin. Okay. Tapos na po yung aming pamamasyal. Kaya po, uwi na po kami. Sakay na kami ang bus. Tanong po kami ang immigration. So, ikakat ko na po yung aking video at bawal po kami mag-video sa immigration. Sige, salamat po. Bye-bye. God bless you all. Love you.